Hey guys, it's Claudia on the night of the 4th of July 2022 at 11:28, and here is a quick smoothie bowl recipe with organic coconut milk, frozen kale, frozen bananas, flakes, coconut flakes to put on top, and real organic coconut milk. You mix everything like you're going to mix up a smoothie. Put everything in the blender. I've got the NutriBullet popping off here. Get those frozen bananas out. Toss them in that milk. Put in a bit of Super Seeds Better Body Foods to bring up the quality. And then pop it on that NutriBullet for a special type creamy mixture that can be whipped and then loosen it up a bit with that almond milk there because it will tend to be thick. Then pop it in a bowl, put some wax paper over that bowl, and voila! There it is, your special smoothie bowl recipe. I love it, and it's good for you.